So it's Tuesday the 3rd of August and I'm very excited because today's the day when my friend Joe comes along this evening about 4:30ish to install the kitchen door mosaics. So, what I've done since the last time you saw, I've painted 2 coats of paint on this. It's an olive green. It looks better in actual life than in filmette. But I've only done 2 coats, so it's got some patches of white showing. The plan is, once our Joe has installed, then I will thoroughly paint. I'm not sure whether this is going to stay on. I'm thinking perhaps a brass one would be gorgeous, but I'm looking for the right one before I think of anything. Joe's going to put on 3 brand new heavy duty hinges. So they'll be better than what I've got now, I am sure. And I am going to put my lovely Buddha handle, doing the Peace Mudra to earth, once it's installed, but it's going to be approximately central. But I'm not going to do that until obviously it's going to be painted, you know, the door's going to be painted and I can see what it looks like in situ. This matches the pantry door handle because I bought 2 of them and they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. And there is a hint of green in there. That's why I went for the green, you see. Not that it matters, especially with me, because I would have orange if I wanted. So this is the plan so far. So the next filmette will be either installing or installed. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye. So it's 5:45 and my friend Joe's just left. Do you want to see the door? This is the door. Ba, ba, ba. Look, and look at the reflection. Look at that. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Hey? So I've got the other door open so you can see all the glass unctuousness and the beauty. I'm going to paint another coat of paint, like I said earlier. I'm going to change that. I'm going to put the handle in. But at the moment, I think we just need to bask in the gorgeousness that is this lovely stained glass window-esqueness. So, right, next project. No, this is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. See you soon. Bye.